this catches on that root right there. Oh yeah. Crank it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nope. There you go. That'll do it. Yeah. Oh yeah. So a slight adjustment. Can you climb this rock? Nope. Oh. Whoops. No, I didn't brake.
Oh.
Just
well,
pushed it under.
That'll come out when I drive, right?
I hope so. I think you need to do an angle. Nope.
Is that where I hit it?
That's where you hit it. I think the other side need to go up. I think if you do that on the other side, it might work, but
I have to find another rock.
it's come the other way.
And we can see at the same time. That'd be awesome.
That's what I was feeling. You want me to look? Oh.
And now I Jeep will start. I can tear the electrical apart. There's something under there that I didn't fix.
Uh-oh.
Well, started by hand again.
Oh, you got your crank starter.
There's something under there though.
It's getting juice. You hit the key, your fuel gauge starts.
Yeah,
So it's
just
the starter wire, maybe.
Maybe it's cylinder way that funny.
Ooh, boy, this air cleaner makes it hard to see in there.
Oh, yeah.
So, ooh, this wire right there. You see it? Oh, this one.
Man, I can't get to it very good.
Oh, it's a beast. Well, let's see if we can fix the next one. If you could get up there and stop, I think we could probably try it loose. Right there. Ah! Can you hold it? Do you have a pry bar of some sort? It's not going to pop out. I think it's going to need some leverage. Okay, just put it in gear and kill it.
Oh, I got some. I got my engine starting thing.
Oh yeah, that might work.
This makes a good pry bar.
Hand crank, man, this is awesome. I think if you stick it somewhere in here and just pop it loose, now that it's got no load.
Boy.
Oh boy,
boy.
It's in there.
Huh.
I think your spring is rigid right now because they won't be able to compress without pushing forward.
Yeah. So... Oh, I can't use that end. That's a good... If I put my tire against there so I can't roll forward, I wonder if there's a way to hook your winch cable right there.
Oh, yeah, and trying to pull it through.
I mean, what's the worst that could happen?
Well, I'm sure we'll find out.
I really must have smacked that.
Yeah, I think the front of your leaf was up against that, and as soon as you rolled forward, it just pushed it back.
Amazing how
she's
nice when you're at.
She's twisted, so this side won't close until you back up a little bit. It closed. All right. So you want me to come up and try to winch it out?
That's my only hope.
Let's do it. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Woo! You want to help it with your... it's a dangerous area to be in, isn't it?
I still think I need to pull down. Yeah, I would do that.
Want to try it?
Oh, wait.
Boy, it is in there. It is really in there.
This is a problem I didn't know could happen.
You're going to be in the triangle of death there for sure. So
Yeah. Yeah, and plus with where the winch is. Oh.
don't put that between your legs.
Need to be back up on the rock probably.
Oh! There.
That was easy.
All right, let me put some tension on her. Oh, goodness. Well, it's definitely pulling down now.
Doesn't look like it's moving though.
Boy, it's not even wiggling, is it?
Loosen that again.
Where would you going under?
Yeah, like that.
Like this?
Yeah. I got it.
Oh, no video. Put it back.
I can. I know how to do it now.
Well, I got audio.
No.
Well, we did it. It was the first try.
I guess I'll just leave that. Leave this on here.
Perfect. They make shackles that are angled. Like they come down and out, and that angle goes on the inside. That's supposed to keep that from happening.
Where does the angle go?
It goes this way. It's almost like a triangle. There.
Huh. I guess when I drive everything will be fixed.
It'll fix itself.
Okay. See, this one's still going back. That one's going forward.
Yeah, you're twisted a little bit. Your back tire is dropped way down. So you're still twisted.
What would I do without an engineer beside me?
You'd never make it. You'd never make it. Well, you'd never meet compliance anyways.